For gas
But
mileage.
a Volkswagen, the Super Beetle,
Yeah.
the shape, you know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about? They got a sports model. They got a
We don't want
sports
no
model.
Volkswagen.
I'm talking about the Super Beetle type.
It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work.
They got one now. It's a sports model. Believe
the
me.
Beetle?
Yes, and it looks good too.
It does?
Yes,
You've seen
yes.
it?
I've seen
You
it.
pointed it out to me once when we were driving Wisconsin.
Oh.
And when I looked at it, I saw that, I said, boy, I can't believe they souped up the Super Beetle like that.
Yeah, it's got like a thing on the back, you know, like the sporty.
The thing on the back
Yeah.
and the wheels look like regular
Yeah, you're
mags.
right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Now I remember, honey. It's a spoiler on the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you think of that?
Well, it's not my taste, but it looked
Well, that's
alright.
because of BMW.
It's-
It was
it's-
your taste.
No,
it's,
like an SUV. I like
Yeah, it's not my taste either, but it is pretty.
Yeah.
It is pretty,
I'm
but it's not my
thinking
taste.
Jeep.
That's fine.
From looking at it.
Cooper Sport.
You
Oh,
yeah.
we like that. Yeah. I
You
like
wait till
that
you
too.
drive it. You wait till you drive it.
Did you drive it?
Yes.
When?
If you hit the gas in that
Yes,
thing,
yes.
I said, whoa, I said, oh. I had to slow it down. The thing,
Did you
Yeah.
have a back seat in the thing?
no, it didn't have a back seat, just 2 seats. The thing will go so fast. It feels like
Yes,
you're getting ready to
yeah.
take off.
Yeah.
That thing, I said, how does this little thing do all this? That little thing is so powerful.
Yeah, we saw it in the showroom.
You let your foot off of that gas, and boy, you sure feel that. I said, boy, this thing is. And I pulled in a garage to turn around, and the guys came out the garage, and they were looking at me. They were looking in the. I said, oh, they probably thought I was pulling in here, but then I realized they was trying to look in the car and see what, look in there. They know what it was, and they were looking in there like that. That car's got so many buttons. How do you figure out all them dirty buttons in there? But
That's not practical though.
But I'm
for
telling
us
you,
right now.
when you let off of that gas, it feels like you getting ready to go up in the air. That's the way it felt.